So, have you ever wondered if those tiny details your IVF team measures actually matter for your baby's health? Let me explain what a new study found. First, the size of your embryo and how many of a certain cell type it has. Those early lab features already give clues. Then there are routine measurements, your early hormone levels like HCG. Higher HCG often means stronger early signals, and we can measure that soon after transfer. Around 10 weeks, a simple ultrasound gives more data, measuring how the fetus is growing. That early growth matters a lot. Researchers reviewed nearly 800 IVF cycles from one clinic, each leading to a single live birth from one embryo transfer. They used standard embryo grading after thawing. Then they matched embryo features and HCG to early fetal growth and ultimately to birth weight and how long the pregnancy lasted. Here's the key: slightly larger embryos. And embryos with more of certain cells, like trophectoderm, tended to produce higher HCG levels. Higher HCG was linked to stronger early fetal growth, which then tied to higher birth weights and longer pregnancies overall. So, what does this mean if you're going through IVF? Routine embryo grading isn't just paperwork. It might give you a sneak peek into your future baby's health. For doctors, this suggests we can refine embryo selection and monitor higher-risk pregnancies more closely. It gives an earlier window into who may need extra care. Now, a caution, this research came from one clinic and only included single births with full data. We need larger studies across clinics before changing practice. Still, the link from embryo grade to birth outcome is compelling. It connects embryo appearance, hormones, early growth, and birth. That helps make embryo selection more personalized. For patients and clinics, listening to these early markers could mean healthier pregnancies and babies. It's about improving outcomes from day one. But remember, more research, more centers, more data. Only then should clinical guidelines shift. Still, these findings give us real hope for personalized IVF care. Listening to embryos and early markers could help families everywhere. Thanks for watching.